did you do?
Good news. I found out what part was making that noise.
You have to put this back together.
Now we're going to the bad news.
What made you think you could fix this?
I'm smart. And I had a book.
Do you still think you're smart?
Yes.
$200?
It'll be okay. We'll find the money.
Wait, the old fridge in the garage. What's it? What's that?
Well, I kind of donated that fridge to the church.
Are you kidding me? You know how much it's gonna cost to fix that fridge?
$200. I have really good hearing.
You're gonna pay me back every cent of this.
Yes, sir.
I'm very disappointed in you.